In this short video, I will explain how to use and understand the investment returns insight. Insights are conversation starters between you and your clients, which show quick strategies. They sit outside a plan, which means they do not alter the plan. In a couple of clicks, Voyant Insights can help you with a savings investment strategy or show the impact of a market crash. Insights are not advice. In this plan, you can see that Simon and Helen potentially cannot achieve their retirement goal. This is shown by the shortfall in the plan, denoted by the red bars. The investment return insight can help you, and more importantly your client, understand the baseline return they may need to achieve across their existing invested assets to help them achieve their goals, i.e. return the red to blue. The required rate of return the investment return insight produces is the gross return and is inclusive of fees. The fees are pulled from the plan settings. Let's run the insight. I'm going to click the Insights tab. You will see each insight we have has a brief description of what it does. You can search for the insights here. In this case, I'm just going to click on the investment returns box. Once selected, each insight has a more detailed description. By default, this insight does not include cash accounts, i.e. accounts input under the savings option. These can be included by using this toggle button. In the case of the investment return insight, the analysis can be made from the start or a future event. It will run to the end of the plan. To change a target event, just click on Change. I'm going to leave it at the plan start and then going to click Get Started. The result box shows the baseline of return, inclusive of fees. That's the existing investments need to grow at to remove the shortfall and hence for your clients to achieve their goals. In this case, that's 7.37%. The fee is 0.5%, making the net rate of return 6.7. You can click on Compare to Plan to compare the insight results to the original plan. You can also select the chart type here. Click back on Simulation Chart to return to the single chart. As with all charts in Voyant, you can change the chart view. You can switch on Details, and you can go to Year View. Year View is a great feature. It helps you understand what is happening in the plan year on year. For the investment returns insight, I'm going to concentrate on the investment tabs and the pension tabs. This is where you can see the results. You can see the net growth for Simon's personal pension here. You can expand this pension and this confirms the insight's baseline return. This is not advice. Insights are a guide. Our inline help feature is also available in Insights. Click on the dots and the inline help window will open. Inline help has a brief description of the topic and links to our knowledge base and other videos. The investment return insight is available in report form in the Insights report section. The report generated will use the results from inputs you used in your insight. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.